It looks like the screw holes for this gate hinge are likely stripped or maybe rotted. Looks like there's more than one problem. Here is the first of a few ways to deal with holes in wood that are stripped out or too large. Use a plastic anchor. You might have one of these three products on hand: wood glue, 24-hour cure time, Gorilla Glue. The package implies that you just need to clamp whatever you're gluing together for 30 to 60 minutes, but omits information on the Gorilla Glue website that says, for best results, allow 24 hours to cure. I have some 5-minute epoxy that says it bonds to wood. It cures in 1 hour. I'll use this and some bamboo skewers. You can use bamboo skewers or toothpicks, wooden dowels. No. Don't you like that the help shows up when the epoxy's trying to dry? You need to re-drill the holes. And the last option for a fix is to install longer or thicker screws. I hope you found this video helpful. A thumbs up is always appreciated. Click on the channel name, Know How Now, to find other videos. And thanks for watching.